You can probably go hunt some fish or something like that from the river.
Yeah, we probably can shoot some fish and try survive and things for the day, because we're there for the day, as I say. But so what you all cook, because I have 2 plants, you know, brother. Plant? 2 plants, so you have to try to do something with that, you know.
Alright, so I'm tasked with freaking green plantains. I mean, as boring as they seem, if you get creative, you can make something really interesting with green plantains. I'm gonna try to get maybe 2 more of these so we can work on a dish. But before I get to that, I'm gonna help Raj to dig out the waterway. That's gonna be some hard work. Dig out the waterway so we can actually lower the level in the river so we can actually see the fish. Because when the water level is too high, the fish tend to hide and it's gonna be a lot more difficult. So what I'm gonna be working on might be a plantain porridge dish. And you know, as a Jamaicans growing up, we normally get porridge in the morning because we were taught and told that this gave us a lot of nutrients. So maybe that will refuel us after this hard work. So boring plantains. Oh, this is probably one of the hardest content I've ever had to make. Got bigger machinery here because, you know, we always try to work smart and not hard. Raj, make sure so we catch a 5 what fish, you know?
5 dozen.
Alright, I'm watching. Guys, yo, drop a like on the video if you appreciate, you know, the work that we put into, you know, get the content out there and jump over to Raj's channel, Spearfishing Jamaica. And subscribe. And remember to give this video some comments and some likes, you know, just show a little appreciation. We'd appreciate it. Yeah.
Whew. Yo, I swear, brother.
Yo, hard freaking work. Alright, so we should cool out a little bit and then get to spearfishing. How long have we been doing this?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, so we have our bag with our equipment, so just in case, you know, cover it up. Alright, let's do this. So I get the marks them clean up so them don't fog. Cause the water level is still a little bit high. You know, we have to go to these parts where there's cover, as Raj has said. You know, where the fish will be hiding. Alright, we're about to go in. Yeah. So Raj has been showing me this is gonna be our fishing line. Put the fish on and they get stuck there. Yeah.
I still need to get a wetsuit, something similar to this, and you know, mask and everything. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Piero. I can say it's a day well spent. I'm getting really cold. Again, I don't have on a wetsuit, so it's not the easiest, but how's the coconut washed up on the beach, and we got the fish.